The deal with the implants was when I came for the original situation that I had, the original problem I had. Dr. Joe talked to me. He said, "Well, I see you have some missing. You see you have a few missing teeth." And he said, "Hey, Robert, you may need to think about having implants in because your teeth they are perfect now, but they will begin to shift." And I talked. We did discuss that. So the implants came up with, on Dr. Joe's recommendation. So I talked with him about it, and I said, "Hey, well, give me some numbers and let me see what the numbers is." It took us about 3 years so actually get to the implant point. So this past year actually was took the opportunity to say, "Hey, I'm ready for the implants. I got some money. Let's get the job done." Went through the process of getting the measurements, getting that all in place, and was actually able to do. I wanted him to do all three of them at the same time. And he said, "Hey, well, okay, Robert, let's," because I had 3 done. He said, "Okay." He said, "Well, let's just do 2 right now." And with him being the dentist, of course, he had the best experience of it. And as the process started, of course, concerned about if there's gonna be pain and how much all that. Hey, you're gonna hear more sound than actually any pain behind it. So we was actually able to do 2 at a time. I mean, 2. We actually did 2 the first time, in which the procedure went smooth. I had no relapse behind it. After the procedure was completed, I went through that process, and then after that, I came back. I think came back about 2 weeks, maybe a week or so after, and did the 3rd one. And then within that process, Dr. Joe said, "Hey, it went so well, we should have just went on and did all 3 of them at the time." After he has finished, Dr. Joe does a wonderful job. I mean, he assigned me pain pills, and I actually didn't even have to utilize those. Overall, I'm very pleased with them. Very pleased. After I smile more with them being this far back, I still smile more, and I've had, again, no issue with them. I'm very overwhelmingly pleased with them.